So how do you add documents to the Files app on the iPhone? Let me guide you through the most possible or likely scenarios. So let's get started. And if you're new here, most definitely become part of the community so you don't miss anything important in the future. Okay, so the documents can be added into the files in multiple different ways. For example, if you have or open up the Files app and get to any kind of folder, you have the ability to tap on the three dots in the top right, and you can click on a scan documents. So if you have like physical paper documents in front of you, you can use your camera and this feature to move or add those documents to the Files app in the digital form. So one option, of course. But then the other way to move documents in here is to somehow get them from other place and put them into the Files app. The very likely scenario is that somebody sends you an email containing an attachment and you can save that into the Files app. So if I open up my email, you can see I have something attached. It's a PDF document, part of my, part of the email, part of attachment. And what I can do is to hold down on it for more things to appear as options for it. And you can see right away we have the ability to click on a save to files. And that is how I can move the document from email into the Apple Files app. Definitely an option right there. But if you do not see it right away, you will need to click on the share at first, and then hopefully the save to files is going to appear. For example, there is the Google Documents application, which also allows you to store documents. But if you want to move this document from Google platform to your local Files app, you don't have the ability to save to files right away. So when you click on the three dots, you don't see anything like that. So at first, you have to click on send a copy, which is something like sharing, right? And then it's going to prepare the file and you can tap the save to files button right here. So that is the general blueprint behind it, and that is how it works. I hope that I could explain it well to you. In case of further questions, let me know about those below in the comments, but that's going to be about it for me. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.